If you need to reset your password on Monese, follow these simple steps to quickly regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Monese app. Launch the Monese app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. Step 2. Go to the login screen. On the app's main screen, tap on the login option. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Monese account. This information will be used to send you a password reset link. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email or SMS. Check your email or SMS for the password reset link sent by Monese. Click the link and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Monese account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Monese customer support for assistance.